Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to easily use Blue Willow in Discord, and if you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing and leaving a like. Okay, so first things first, just open up your Discord here. Just click on this Explore Discoverable Servers. Search for Blue Willow in Explore Communities, click enter, and then click this one with the verified green icon. And then just click here in show member list if it's hidden, and then search for this Blue Willow with a bot checkmark. Click that and then add to server. And once you click add to server, just click here on select a server and select which server you want to use it on, and click continue. Make sure everything is checked and click authorize. So now let's just go through a verification and success. So let's go to our server, and as you can see, Blue Willow is now here. So I'll just create a new channel for our prompts, and here just type in /imagine and then click on space. Let's see, what can we use as an example? So maybe just a simple instruction, jets flying. And now let's just wait for it to generate the prompt we used, and as you can see, it has already generated these 4 images here. So the U here basically means upscale and the V stands for variation. So if you just click on say V3, it'll create more variations of the third image here. And if you click on the blue refresh icon, it'll create more images based on your prompt. Okay, so now it has already created 3 more versions of it. Alright, so if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.